Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud-based file storage system that's made by Microsoft. It's a fantastic way to store your files that will give you huge advantages going forward, and it is very much the modern way of working. So it allows you to both create and edit files online in the cloud. So all you need nowadays is a browser. You can actually get away, unless you want the really advanced features, you can get away without even installing things like Word and PowerPoint on your computer. And if you are just using the online versions, Microsoft actually offer that for free, which is fantastic. So the main reasons you might want to use OneDrive is it allows you to store your files online and access them from any device with an internet connection. So it stops the need for having duplicated versions. If you store all of your personal files in OneDrive, then you've only got that one version of those files that you can access from any device. All of your files are backed up and protected by Microsoft. You can create, edit and share files with other people, and you can actually collaborate on these files together live. So you can have multiple people editing files at the same time, which was impossible in old local storage. And finally, you can sync these files to a computer. So you use the normal file explorer to access your files like this. And then you won't even know that it's being stored online, but in the background, that's what's happening. So you can still work in your traditional way if that's what you want to do. Yeah, if you set this up right, it still gives you that access to those files from any other device, and they're constantly being backed up by Microsoft. So that's Microsoft OneDrive in a nutshell. I'm going to make individual videos on all the different things you might want to do within OneDrive as short skill videos for anybody that needs them.